You're not ugly. The real problem isn't your genetics. It's 7 silent, everyday habits that are literally destroying your face every single day, and you don't even notice them. If you don't fix them right now, you'll keep aging faster than you should. But here's the good news. The fixes are dead simple, and you'll start seeing a massive transformation and glow up in just a few weeks. Let's dive straight in. Number 1. Touching your face. This is easily one of the most common looksmaxxing killers out there. You probably don't even realize it, but you're touching your face 30 to 50 times a day. Scratching an itch, resting your chin on your hand, rubbing your eyes, it all adds up. Now, here is the harsh reality. Your hands are absolute breeding grounds for bacteria. You touch your phone screen, your desk, door handles, random stuff all day long. That invisible dirt and bacteria transfer directly to your skin the microsecond you touch your face. The result? Stubborn pimples, clogged pores, ridiculously oily skin. And the worst part? You won't even realize this bad habit is what's causing your daily breakouts. So what is the exact fix? Simple. Build brutal awareness. Every single time you feel the urge to touch your face, stop yourself immediately. Wash your hands more frequently throughout the day and keep them away from your skin. The less you touch, the clearer your skin will get. Number 2. Chewing on one side. This one is completely insane because it literally changes your underlying facial bone structure over time. If you always chew your food, snacks, or gum exclusively on one side of your mouth, guess what? That side of your jaw gets hyper-developed compared to the other. Over the course of months and years, this creates severe facial asymmetry. Your face starts to look uneven, warped, and honestly, facial asymmetry is one of the absolute biggest killers of raw attractiveness. Even small differences, like one cheek looking fuller than the other, throw off your entire aesthetic balance. The solution? Start chewing evenly right now. If you chew gum, switch sides every few minutes. Do the exact same thing with your food. Train your masseter muscles to work symmetrically. Over time, this keeps your jawline razor sharp, balanced, and perfectly symmetrical. Number 3. Not getting enough sun. Listen to me. Your body desperately needs natural sunlight, not just for vitamin D, but for skyrocketing your testosterone, maintaining high daily energy, and giving your skin that vibrant, healthy glow. If you're always locked inside your room, gaming for hours, or endlessly scrolling on your phone, your skin turns pale, lifeless, and dull. Your eyes lose their sharpness, your mood crashes, and you completely lose that powerful masculine aura. Compare two guys, one who spends time outdoors, soaking up the sun, and one who stays trapped inside. The outdoor guy has a natural tan, piercing bright eyes, and powerful body language. The indoor guy looks drained, pale, and weak. Who do you think people notice first? You don't need to sunbathe for hours like a lizard. Just 15 to 20 minutes of direct sunlight daily is more than enough. Go for a brisk walk in the morning, do your workouts outside, or just sit on your balcony. Your skin will glow, your testosterone will spike, and your face will finally look alive again. Just don't forget your sunscreen. Number 4. Bad sleep. Let's be completely honest with ourselves. Sleep is literally the holy grail of physical recovery and cellular repair. When you skip it, you aren't just feeling tired the next day. You literally look exhausted, drained, and aged. Dark circles under your eyes, puffy eyelids, completely dull skin. These are the immediate aesthetic punishments of a bad night. And think about the long-term damage. When was the last time you pulled an all-nighter and looked in the mirror? Your face was swollen and lifeless. Now imagine doing that to your biology every single night. That is what keeps people looking permanently old before their time. The fix? Stop destroying your circadian rhythm. Aim strictly for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Go to bed at the exact same time every single night. And here is the golden rule. Cut out screens at least 1 hour before bed. Blue light destroys your melatonin production. Good sleep equals a glowing skin, fresh face, and a razor-sharp jawline. Number 5. Too much caffeine. Listen, coffee itself isn't evil. In small amounts, it can boost your focus. But when you are slamming 3 to 4 cups a day just to survive the afternoon crash, you are doing catastrophic damage to your looks. First, high caffeine severely dehydrates your system. Less water in your body means your skin looks dry, creepy, tired, and prematurely aged. Second, chugging caffeine all day completely ruins your deep sleep cycles. And third, relying on artificial stimulants kills your natural masculine presence. You end up looking jittery, anxious, and high-strung instead of calm and confident. The solution? Keep it strictly controlled. Maximum 1 or 2 cups of coffee a day, period. And for every single cup of coffee you drink, slam a full glass of pure water to balance your hydration levels. Real, magnetic energy should come from clean nutrition, deep sleep, and hard training, not from chugging endless liquid stimulants. Number 6. High stress. Stress is an absolute silent killer, not just for your internal health, but for your visual attractiveness. Chronic high stress spikes your cortisol levels through the roof, and high cortisol does 3 devastating things to your body. It forces you to store stubborn belly and face fat. It completely wrecks your skin barrier, causing massive breakouts, and it plummets your testosterone. Ever noticed how during brutal exam weeks or high-pressure moments in life, your face breaks out, you look exhausted, and your jawline seems to disappear? That is pure cortisol showing up on your face. The fix? You can't eliminate stress entirely from modern life, but you can master your response to it. Hit the heavy weights, meditate, go for long walks in nature, disconnect from toxic environments, and find outlets that genuinely calm your nervous system. The calmer and more grounded your mind is, the sharper, younger, and more attractive your physical appearance will become. Number 7. Blaming genetics. Out of all the bad habits we've talked about today, this is by far the most dangerous and toxic one. So many guys look in the mirror, see a few flaws, and immediately surrender with one lazy excuse. It's just my genetics. I can't change it anyway. That defeatist mindset itself is what's keeping you looking average or ugly. Sure, your genetics set the initial baseline of your skeletal structure, but your diet, your fitness level, your skincare game, your sleep quality, your hairstyle, and your daily habits dictate how much of your true potential you actually bring out to the world. Look at any real glow-up transformation online. You see guys going from average, tired, and unnoticed to absolute model-tier looks. Do you think all of them just magically won the genetic lottery overnight? Hell no. They simply stopped complaining and started working aggressively on everything they could actually control. The absolute truth is that 80% of your looks are completely in your hands. Stop whining about your DNA. Start improving today. Hit the gym hard. Lock in your diet. Sleep like it's your job. Groom yourself properly. And destroy those bad habits one by one. That is how you unlock your true face. Now, if you really want to protect your overall looks and stop losing your crown without even realizing it, you need to understand that most men are secretly going bald in their 20s due to hidden hormonal enemies like DHT. If you don't act now, your hair follicles will shrink forever. You need to watch my complete baldness prevention protocol video right here on my channel. It breaks down the exact science-backed methods, from scalp tension release to micro-needling, to save your hair and boost your resistance. Click on the screen, watch it right now, and let's secure your ultimate glow-up together.